recognition. Mayor Marcos Mamay is also a graduating mayor. Mayor Barry Baguio of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte. Mayor Romel Arnado of Casuaran, Lanao del Norte. Mayor Randy Macapil of Linamon, Lanao del Norte. Mayor Manita Dimaputa of Pagulongan, Lanao del Norte.
Mayor, dito po tingin, Mayor. Dito po tingin, Mayor. Yun, sa kanila nakatingin.
And Mayor Marcos Mamay of Tulungan, Lanao del Norte.